Hi, my name's James Parks and I'm the Offer Marketing Manager for our KQ range of products here at Schneider Electric. So today we're going to look at how to fit our meter extension onto the bottom of one of our KQ Loadcentres. So this meter extension is the SE250 MET and it is designed to fit onto our Style B or our Type B boards, which is the 250 amp 3-phase boards. So to begin with, this one requires you to start taking some of the components of the actual board apart and taking off the bracing off the top of the meter extension box itself. So let's start with taking the gland plate off the bottom of the Loadcentre to begin with. This can either be kept for future use or used on the top if you require the knockouts. Now we need to take the brace off the top of the actual meter extension box. So this brace is simply removed by taking the two screws off. Now we fit the meter extension onto the bottom of the board. First of all, we need to take the cover off the meter extension. Once that is done, we will see that this can be lined up with the bottom of the board. The holes and clips should all align together, and it is slowly pushed towards the wall, locking the clips into place. Now, using the screws that are provided, tighten the screws into place in the relevant points onto the back of the board. Now we take the brace that we've taken off from the meter extension and we fit this by slotting the clips into place first of all, and then tightening up the two screws. Now take out the bag out of the bottom of the extension box. Inside that bag you'll find the breaker that feeds the meter, and a bag of screws and the instructions. Next we fit the breaker into the board. Examples of how to do this can be seen on previous videos. Once this is in place, we then need to feed the meter. The meter is our IEM 3255 and it comes with the cable looms attached to it. Feed these cables up through the board, dressing as you need to, and fit these into the breaker itself. Following this, you'll need to remove the neutral shroud and then fit the neutral cable into the neutral bar. Once you've completed all this, you may fit all the covers back onto the board and it is good to go. So once you've got power to the board, you'll need to set and configure the CT ratios through the meter to meet the requirements of the board. For more information on our KQ Loadcentre range, please visit se.com.